Hi everybody, today we're going to check out this Canon IV Click that I got off of Canon.com. It's an instant camera printer similar to the Polaroids like this one. So this thing prints 2 by 3 inch photos. So pretty much indicates this is about this size right here. Not much to tell you. It comes with a lanyard, USB connector, printing paper, and the camera itself, as well as the manual. Step 1, read manual. Make sure you understand everything about this camera before you start using it. So, to get started, first, flip it over, pop this off. 2, open this packet and put it in the camera. I'm going to keep this barcode smart sheet in with the group of film. Now place film into here, as so, with the smart sheet facing downwards, like that. Then put case on. Whoa. Somehow, oh, there you go. It doesn't snap. Keep that in mind. Next step, power on. Press and hold the power button, indicator here. The light turns on and it blinks and a sound plays. Keep in mind, it indicates here that it's 2 by 3. So it uses the whole frame of the film. You could switch it by pressing this button and the light indicator will indicate 2 by 2. And that uses pieces of the film, depending on your orientation of how you shoot this camera. Here's a manual that describes this right here. So you can see 2 by 2 and the orientation of the film. I will keep this at 2 by 3. This button right here is the reprint button. So after you took a shot with this camera, you can reprint it by pressing this button. So let's power this down for now. By pressing and holding the power button, a sound chimes and this is off. Is the printout slot. Here is the strap hole or lanyard hole. Camera lens right here. Here is a selfie mirror, so you can take a look at yourself when you face it towards yourself. And here's the status indicator. There is a flash located here. Here. Or here. Yeah, it's this one. And this is the viewfinder. On the top, the power button, shutter button. On the back, we have the viewfinder. We mentioned this already, which is the framing of the picture, 2 by 2 or 2 by 3. Reprint button, the film storage area, and on the bottom, a SD card, charge indicator, USB recharger, reset button, and a microphone. I believe that's a microphone, or not a microphone, speaker. When it's charging, this will be the color of red. When it's full, it will be green. Keep in mind, I did not charge this out of the box, so the battery is working out of the box. It is not waterproof and does not do well in heat in the sunlight. This camera is 4.5 inches wide. Two and 3/4 inch height and 3/4 inch depth. Let's go take a picture now. So let's take a picture. It's printing. it's coming out. Oh. This came out. It's doing something. Oh, look at that. Let's see. It's coming out. It took a while to print. There she goes. An autumn stain still. And that's it. So, and there you have it. It took about a few seconds to actually print. This camera is about 1.5 pounds, which is pretty hefty. It's kind of large, but not as large as this Polaroid, of course, but it's pretty large. Definitely a fun little camera to have. I like that mirror here. It's pretty easy to use and it has feedback when something goes on. Just didn't like the first time I took a shot of it. It didn't seem too intuitive, but all was decent for what it is. Pretty fun camera to use. I don't know how much the film cost, but gotta check that out. So cheers. Hope this helps to talk about this Canon IB CliQ, and hope it helps you to find fun things to take pictures of. Thanks for watching. Take care.